It is true that you create a work recreated by King George first?
You prefer instrumental or vocal music?
What types of music genres do you play? I play 3 types of music.
Please give the welcome to George Frederick Handel.
I wrote more than 400 concertos for some instruments, especially for the violin.
For which instruments did he compose more quantity of concerts and sonatas?
For string instruments and mainly for violin, my instrument.
And we'll see you guys right after the break.